How farmers harvest mung beans. From farm to factory. Mung beans, also known as green gram, are among the most versatile and nutritious legumes. Their small size belies their immense importance in global agriculture and cuisine. Used in soups, curries, sprouts, and even desserts, mung beans are a staple crop in many regions. The journey of mung beans from farms to processing factories involves intricate processes, blending traditional farming methods with cutting-edge technology. Let's delve into the fascinating life cycle of mung beans from cultivation to the factory floor. The foundation of mung bean farming, cultivation. The journey of mung beans begins in the soil, with farmers selecting regions that offer the ideal combination of climate, soil type, and rainfall. Soil preparation. Farmers start by preparing the land. Fields are plowed and enriched with organic compost or fertilizers to ensure the soil is nutrient-rich and well-drained. Mung beans thrive in sandy loam or well-drained soils with a slightly acidic to neutral pH. Sowing. Mung bean seeds are sown during the monsoon season in tropical and subtropical regions such as India, Myanmar, Thailand, and parts of Africa. In cooler climates, planting occurs in the spring. Sowing can be done manually or using seed drills for larger farms. Growth and care. The mung bean plant is a fast grower, maturing within 60 to 70 days. The plants require minimal water, making them a perfect crop for regions with limited rainfall. During their growth phase, farmers often use intercropping techniques, planting mung beans alongside other crops to maximize land use and improve soil fertility. The harvesting phase. Precision and effort. Timing is everything in mung bean harvesting. Farmers must act when the pods are mature but not overly ripe. This ensures the beans retain their nutritional value and remain intact during collection. Manual harvesting. Traditional farming relies on manual labor. Workers walk through fields, carefully plucking pods by hand or cutting plants at their base using sickles. This labor-intensive method is common in regions with small-scale farms and ensures minimal wastage. Mechanical harvesting. In modern agricultural settings, combine harvesters equipped with special attachments make the process quicker and more efficient. These machines cut the plants, strip the pods, and collect the beans all in one seamless operation. Post-harvest processes. Unlocking the potential of mung beans. Once harvested, mung beans undergo several stages of cleaning, drying, and grading. These processes are crucial in ensuring the beans meet quality standards for both domestic consumption and export. Threshing. The harvested pods are processed to separate the beans. In traditional settings, farmers beat the pods with sticks or spread them on a mat to be trampled by animals. In mechanized systems, threshing machines are used to perform the task quickly and efficiently. Cleaning. The freshly separated beans are full of debris, dirt, and plant material. They are passed through cleaning machines that use air currents, sieves, and rollers to remove unwanted particles. Drying. To ensure the beans are ready for storage, they are dried to reduce their moisture content to around 12%. Farmers in rural areas often use sunlight to dry the beans, spreading them on large mats. In larger operations, mechanical dryers provide precise control and speed up the process. Sorting and grading. Beans are sorted and graded by size, shape, and color. Advanced factories use optical sorting machines to identify and separate damaged or discolored beans. High-quality beans are reserved for human consumption, while lower grades are used for animal feed or industrial applications. Processing at the factory. Transforming beans into products. Mung bean factories are equipped with state-of-the-art technology to transform raw beans into a variety of consumer products. Dehulling. For products like split mung beans or lentils, the outer green husk is removed using dehulling machines. The yellow interior is then exposed, creating a product commonly used in soups, curries, and snacks. Sprouting. Mung beans are soaked in water and placed in controlled environments to sprout. These bean sprouts are highly popular for their crunch and nutritional benefits, often used in salads, stir-fries, and wraps. Milling. Factories also grind mung beans into fine flour, which is used in making noodles, pastries, and gluten-free alternatives. In some regions, mung bean flour is a key ingredient in traditional desserts and sweets. Packaging. Once processed, the mung beans or their derived products are packaged in airtight containers, ensuring freshness and protecting them from moisture and contamination. Minimizing waste. Sustainability in mung bean processing. Mung bean farming and processing are remarkably efficient, with very little waste generated. For example, residues, the husks and stems left over after threshing, are often used as animal feed or composted to enrich the soil. Sprout waste. Wastewater from sprout production is often recycled or treated to minimize environmental impact. By adopting sustainable practices, the mung bean industry ensures that it contributes positively to both the environment and local economies. A crop with global significance. Mung beans are more than just a crop, they are a nutritional powerhouse and an economic boon for millions of farmers. As a rich source of protein, fiber, and essential vitamins, they are a vital ingredient in vegetarian and vegan diets around the world. Moreover, their ability to enrich the soil with nitrogen makes them a valuable rotational crop, improving soil health for future planting. Conclusion: a complex yet rewarding process. The journey of mung beans from farm to factory highlights the perfect blend of nature and human ingenuity, from carefully tending the fields to implementing advanced processing technologies. Every step ensures that this tiny green bean reaches our plates in its finest form, whether in the form of crunchy sprouts, hearty lentils, or silky flour. Mung beans continue to nourish and delight people across the globe. The next time you savor a dish made with mung beans, take a moment to appreciate the complex processes and tireless effort behind this remarkable crop. It's a story of dedication, innovation, and the enduring power of one of nature's most versatile gifts.